I pulled you over because you came out of Metro West and you crossed the median when you're not supposed to. And there's a sign there that clearly says do not enter.
I'm surprised she hasn't gotten on the phone yet.
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
What says do not enter?
Driver's license.
Hey, baby here. He still wants the driver's license. Idiot.
Now you're doing too much, and I got somewhere to be.
Doing too much.
I don't got it.
You don't have it?
Nope.
All right, shut off the car.
For
If
what?
you don't listen to my order, I'm going to detain you.
He told you, though.
I'm pregnant, and I'm pregnant.
Pregnant immediately. Fucking children.
No, you touch
Step
me.
out. Step on out. Step
Shut up
No.
and get out. You're pretty thin. What are you, 6 minutes pregnant?
I didn't do it.
out.
Didn't do nothing.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Num, 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 num.
Because you're resisting a lot.
For what?
I'm gonna punch y'all in your face because y'all doing too much. No, because I didn't do nothing wrong. I don't
Stop.
You're
Stop.
hurting my-
Because you won't stop squirming.
You're hurting my
Stop resisting.
Good.
Now you get charged with resisting with violence.
Haha.
Stop.
Is it body cam or booty cam? What are you doing, buddy?
Y'all just bored and I got somewhere to be. You're hurting my arm. Stop it.
Oh, my hurt.
Let me go. Let go of my leg. Let go of my
Stop.
leg. Let go of my leg. I can walk.
And if they let go of your leg because you can walk, you're gonna squirm, try to kick, and all the fun shit that they don't want to have to deal with.
Let go of my leg.
Stop.
Watch what happens when he lets go of her leg.
Let go of my arm. You guys are not
Stop.
listening. If I spit on y'all,
You're not listening. If you spit on us, you'll get charged with battery law enforcement.
And then you're getting a hood.
You called all these constables.
you did. You
Stop.
did, bitch.
No.
Everybody else's fault but yours.
If you're pregnant, then stop moving around.
You let me fucking
Stop.
go.
Stop spitting. I'm not trying to spit in my face.
I'll
Stop.
spit on all of you bitches. Let me go.
Because you're a dickhead.
I don't have my license. I just came from home.
Too bad. You're going to jail now.
Trying to get out of the cuffs.
Damn.
Stop. Go shake.
I can't let go of me.
It's never over. It's never done. It's right all the way up until they get locked in a fucking cell. It's just fight everything.
Let me get my
Shut up.
Get on the other side, pull her across.
Stop. Stop. If you know you're pregnant,
There
it's...
she goes.
Yeah, what is that?
There's what happens when they let go of your fucking legs.
Let me go. Let me go.
I don't know what to say you.
Let me go.
Might have to cover.
All right.
Simple traffic stop.
I made a left at that light.
No, you did not. I saw you.
Uh-huh. God, she sucks.
Bye.
I was watching them.
She gets probation. Learns nothing. Peace.